Hi guys, welcome again for one more video of Mechanics channel. Today I will explain how we removed the driver airbag and the steering wheel on a 2019 Volvo V60. Make sure you watch the video till the end, so you don't miss out any detail, important tricks and hints that will help you solve your problems like a pro. The tools we used for this job was 2 plastic panel removal tools, a thin screwdriver, a T25 Torx screwdriver, 1 16mm socket, a medium extender and a wrench, as well as a thick medium screwdriver. It is recommended that you disconnect the battery before working on an airbag. Hands on the work, and the first thing we did was to remove the horn fuse on the fuse box in the engine compartment. In our case it was the 20 amp fuse in F36 slot. Now we can start by turning the steering wheel 90 degrees in order to expose the small cap that is hiding the screws. Remove the cap and the Torx screw on both sides, as well as the bottom one. Then you have a small hole where we stick the thin screwdriver and press to release the plastic that holds both covers. As you can see in the images, you also have a sliding connection between them in the rear. With the thick medium screwdriver on the rear hole of the steering wheel, we are going to push inwards the airbag locking mechanism as shown on both sides. With the help of the 2 plastic panel removal tools, we force the airbag out. At the same time, we unlock the mechanism on the rear. So, are you liking this video so far? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. To completely remove the airbag, we just need to press the clip on the yellow plug in order to disconnect it. You can disconnect the green one as well if you are going to remove the steering wheel. After that, with the 16mm socket, medium extender and the wrench, undo the main steering wheel screw, and you can take the steering wheel out. Probably is to renew the poor quality leather. For us that was the reason, and we replaced it with real leather. To assemble everything again, you just need to do everything in reverse order. Hope you enjoyed, learned and fixed your car. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and see you in the next video.